Welcome to part 37 of Daily English. Today's situation. Shopping, asking about discounts. Is this on sale? Example. Is this on sale today? Is there a discount? Example. Is there a discount if I buy two? How much can I save? Example. How much can I save with this offer? Do you have any special offers? Example. Do you have any special offers this week? Buy one, get one free. Example. These drinks are buy one, get one free. That's a great deal. Example. That's a great deal. I'll buy it. I'll take two. Example. I'll take two because they're on sale. When does the sale end? Example. When does the sale end? Tomorrow? Thank you for the information. Example. Thank you for the information. That's very helpful. Mini conversation. Customer, excuse me. Is this on sale? Salesperson, yes. It's 20% off today. Customer, great. Do you have any special offers? Salesperson, yes. Buy one, get one free on these T-shirts. Customer, that's a great deal. I'll take two. Thank you. Daily tip. Words like sale, discount, special offer, and deal are very common when shopping. Learning these expressions can help you save money and understand promotions more easily. Speaking challenge. Imagine you're shopping during a sale. Ask about discounts, special offers, and decide what to buy using at least 5 sentences. Subscribe for part 38. Continue learning English with Avetra edu.